Well, this H8 battery with 900 cold cranking amps fitting a 2021 F150. Well, here we go. This is the H6 battery. Gonna put H8 in there. Looks like we got enough room right there. It's gonna fit inside of there. Anyway, looks like this and the the 2 bolts there. Well, that's done. That was a 13, I think, and 10 and 10 millimeter. Anyway, we'll take this out now and put the H8 in. Well, that's all put back together now. I was able to reuse this. Didn't go all the way around. Right there, there's nothing. Okay, so the battery reset is 5 on the high beams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 on the brake. 1, 2, 3.